Hey guys, this week's theme on YouTube Sisters is Throwback Week, so I thought that I would just sort of react and look at some old photos and maybe a few websites and things like that on my laptop that are old, and I thought that I would just do that for Throwback Week. I'm actually filming this on the day that it's going up because I got a retainer thing in at the dentist, or the orthodontist, and I couldn't talk properly up until about Thursday, Wednesday maybe. I'm still not talking like I used to. If I sound weird or if I sound different, which I do to myself, especially my S's, I apologise. Hopefully it's not too distracting. But yeah, I know I sound a bit weird, but I really can't help it right now because I can't take it out. But I've just logged on to my laptop and we're gonna get started. Okay, firstly, how cool is my desktop background? I made it a few weeks ago. Just has some pictures on there. Anyway, I think I'll start with a few websites. My voice sounds so strange right now. So, I don't know where to start. I'm trying to think of some websites that I went on as a child. Okay, first website, everyone went on it, everyone loved it. Yeah, that's right. Aww. Aww, this is cute though. I only had one more moshling to get out of all of them, and I never got it. Never. Can't remember which one it was now. Oh my god, my logging is still in there. How did that happen? Okay, I think I might have looked back on it at some point. Maybe that's what's on there. Oh, who remembers this? Is that called Ziggy? Something like that. Yay. Oh look, I still have all my mushrooms. And then I had yeah, I remember this. I had 3 floors. Oh no, look at the move. Oh. What was I thinking when I was decorating this? Oh no. Hypnotron. Oh, let's not look at that. Who knows if I can get hypnotised. Those weren't there before. Anyway, I think I've had quite enough of this game already. They got rid of Toontown. No! You can't get rid of Toontown. When did it end? 2013. No! Now I'm going to react to some photos. Okay, so I've stopped recording the screen now because I'm going onto my Facebook and I'm going to look for some old photos. Okay, this is a picture of me baking cupcakes by the looks of it in the background, and I have a chef's hat on and an apron, and I just got home from school, and yeah, that looks like, I think it's a recipe book. It looks like a planner, but this is from 2009. So in this picture I am 9 years old. This is probably one of the most embarrassing pictures ever. So my friend Kira made this edit of us both and probably chose 2 of the most unflattering, horrible photos that she could have chosen. So here I am pulling a weird disgustful, that's not a word, face. And Kira's doing the peace sign. That edit. Who remembers Pizzap? Who remembers Pizzap? Okay, whoever went in one of these, one of those like big water ball things where you can't breathe properly and it sounds really weird and you like run on the water. Yeah, I remember that. It's not the most pleasant experience actually. You can't really breathe properly and everything echoes, and yeah. I've only been in one twice and I never went in one again. So that is it for the throwback video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Let me know any websites that you used to go on when you were younger in the comments, and I will see you next week. Bye.
Hey guys, so this week's theme on YouTube Sisters is Habits Week. My voice is going,
a really
oh
short
wow.
video because I have like
And I was kind of stuck
favourites.
for ideas.